my name is Pinky and welcome back to my channel Curly's Cuisine. It's Sunday afternoon for me and I have been thinking what to cook, and what came in my mind was dal tadka with a bowl of rice. I will be cooking this dal in instant pot because it is very quick and very easy. So let's get started.
To start with, we will first turn on the saute button on the instant pot. Let the pot heat up for around 2 minutes and then add 2 spoons of ghee. Wait for the ghee to heat up and then add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. At this stage, I will sprinkle some asafoetida. I am now adding 1 cup of onion for 1 cup of tur dal. I always add a little salt in the onions while sauteing. Now add 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and mix it really well. Saute the onion for about 4 minutes and keep stirring in between so that the onions do not stick to the instant pot. I'm now adding 3 green chilies. You can add more green chilies or less as per your taste. Add 1 small size tomato and mix it well with the onions. For the spices, I'm now adding 1 tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala and 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and mix it well. Saute the tomatoes and spices for 3 to 4 minutes before adding the dal. I will now be adding 1 cup of tur dal in the instant pot. I soaked the dal in water for 15 minutes and washed it properly. You can completely skip soaking in water, and if you're not soaking in water, then you can increase the pressure cooker time to 10 minutes. However, I'll be setting up for 7 minutes. Now add 3 cups of water. If you are not using instant pot, you can use the same amount of water in pressure cooker and give 3 whistles. Now add some salt as per your taste. Close the instant pot and seal it. I will be switching on the pressure cooker button and set the time for 7 minutes. Our tur dal is ready and well cooked, and we can serve it as is. However, friends, no dal is actually a dal without a ghee tadka on the top. So for the ghee tadka, I will now be adding 1 spoon of ghee in a pan and let it heat it up. Add 2 to 3 dry red chilies. You can add more if you want it more spicy, and also add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and let it pop up. You can completely skip this step and actually add this in the instant pot after we add cumin seeds, but I like a little more ghee on the top of my dal. I will garnish it with fresh cilantro, and you can enjoy this tur dal with roti, bread or rice as of your choice.
Friends, this is a very quick and easy instant pot dal tadka recipe. Instant pot has become my favorite appliance in the kitchen recently, and I use it all the time for making my dals and different vegetables. And I'm really tempted to try this dal today because I'm super hungry. So, trust me guys, this has come out really well. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Curly's Cuisine. Have a great day.